Let me show you how to achieve this test animation in Canva. For those who do not know, this animation was created in Canva Meta Editor. Open a Canva project page and add a heading. Now type in your test and let's change the font to Anton. Adjust your test. I'm adjusting by clicking on Advanced Settings so I can reduce the space between my tests. Now increase the size of your test, just like so. Change your text color to white. Click on Element and search for blur. Choose Graphics to see this type of blur element. Choose this and increase the size of your blur. Push it backwards to see just the side of the blur and drag it behind your text. Click on Animate and choose Create Animation and simply drag across the screen. Click on Movement Style, choose Steady and reduce the speed. And done. Click on this blur and do the same. Now here is a pro tip. Want to get a straight line animation, just hold down the shift button as you drag across the screen. Click on Movement Style, reduce the speed and click on Steady. Now let's repeat the same steps for this orange blur. Move to the other side of the Canva, increase the size, click on Animate, click on Create Animation and drag half across the Canva and back. Click on Movement Style, reduce the speed and choose Steady, then Done. Now drag all the blur below the text, just like so. And here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share.